Hello, parents and guardians. Thank you for your interest in STEMpathize and welcome to our spring cycle of workshops. We're glad to have you here and your students with us.
First of all, what is STEMpathize? STEMpathize is a youth-led STEM organization that seeks to bring STEM to our next generation of thinkers. Through our free virtual hands-on workshop series, students develop their teamwork, leadership, and communication skills that will prove to be vital wherever their future decides to take them. We host workshops every Saturday from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Pacific Time, filled to the brim with experiments, learning, and activities with no additional payment.
What makes STEMpathize different? Our workshop series are specifically made to include materials that are found at home. We believe that STEM is relevant and accessible to anyone, and we ensure that fact through our easy access STEM workshops. Our curriculum for our spring cycle workshops include sustainability and climate change for grades 3 to 5 and artificial intelligence for grades 6 to 8.
For our students in grades 3 to 5, we delve deeper into the effects of climate change globally. Through our experiments with the life around us, students learn about the relevant issues that affect our climate today. Students get to create their own greenhouse effect with a glass jar and learn how to conserve water. Through these accessible environmental experiments, students will begin to look more closely at the world around us.
For our grades 6 to 8 students, we discover the intricacies and growth of the artificial intelligence field that defines our modern age. Students will discover how artificial intelligence is implemented into all the technology around us. Whether it is learning about artificial intelligence in society or working together with artificial intelligence to diagnose a disease based on given symptoms, students will learn more of how artificial intelligence affects our everyday lives.
The learning starts with you, the materials you have at home, and the student's attention. We're excited to see you soon and we hope to see you during our cycle. Please let us know if you have any questions. Bye.